today I'm going to be sharing with you this look. So this is a haldi makeup look. So if you're a bride or if you're a guest, you can definitely wear this look because it's dramatic but not supremely dramatic. It's still very gorgeous look and you can totally rock it if you like wearing these kind of glam makeup. This is a look for you. So I kept the outfit and everything very simple because I didn't had anything green or something which gonna complement my look. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. I'm gonna start with some skincare. So first of all, I'm gonna use this Dabur Gulabari gel to refresh my face. Next, for my serum, I'm using this Wow Vitamin C face serum. You know, I'm recently using this. And for my moisturizer, I'm using this Pond's Light Moisturizer. My hair looks a mess right now. I'm gonna tell a fun thing about me. I really don't comb my hair. मेरे hair बहुत पतले हैं, like बहुत पतले हैं. So मैं ज़्यादातर comb नहीं करती है, मैं इसे hands ही करती हूँ. But इस time comb की ज़रूरत है. I really don't feel like combing because अभी oily है hair मेरे and blah. And for my lips, I'm using this lip balm. And this is by Nykaa. So I've concealed my eyelids as you can see. So for today's look, it's like a haldi makeup. So general makeup mein either you go very dramatic or you can go very basic. But for today's look, I really wanted to play with color and I really wanted to get a very sort of a dramatic look yet somewhat wearable kind of a look. And if you want like a wearable makeup look, you can also let me know in the comment section. मैं वो भी film कर दूँगी. So I'm gonna start with my Morphe palette. So I'm gonna take the dark green, so this shade, and I'm gonna apply it onto my crease, like above my crease. So आप देख सकते हैं मैं सिर्फ अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, मैं ब्लेंड नहीं कर रही. Like so. So हम देख सकते हैं बहुत रफली है ये. Like so. So now you can see I've applied above my crease and that's what we want. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take a lighter green shade and like very lighter green and I'm gonna blend the harsh line, like if there's any harsh line. Make sure to blend it fully because ऐसे बहुत पैची लगेगा. So अच्छे से blend करें. So once you can see ये बहुत nicely blended है. So once ये बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाए और ये बहुत smooth लगे, take the dark green shadow, the same brush. Like so. So now you can see it looks a bit mess right now, but just trust the process and just keep blending it. And मैंने ऐसा ही एक same tutorial अपने इंस्टा पे शेयर करा था and I got a lot of appreciation. So मैं उसकी पिक आपको incorporate कर दूँगी इधर कहीं पर भी. So you can see that. Like for the wedding tutorial, I want to share very different kind of looks. So for this, like a cut crease, like a full cut crease look. So now that we've applied it nicely, now we need a makeup remover. So this is the Garnier Micellar Water. You can see how much I've used it. I love it. I need a Q-tip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it on a Q-tip, like so. And I'm gonna clean, like very slowly, I'm gonna clean my crease. So बहुत slowly करें. So you can see it looks really clean now. So आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप पूरा अच्छे से इसे clean करें. So आप देख सकते हैं fully cut crease है. Now I'm gonna apply a concealer on this. Take a very small brush for it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap it मेक श्योर कि ये अच्छे से अप्लाई हो जाए। तो नाउ वी गोना अप्लाई गोल्डन शैडो। अगर आप चाहे आप ग्रीन भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट आई वांट टू मेक इट वेयरेबल, सो आई एम गोना टेक अ गोल्डनिश कलर। आई एम अप्लाइंग फ्रॉम दिस पैलेट, आई लव दिस। So like this. Now what we're gonna do is, now I'm gonna take the same darker green color and I'm gonna apply it. So like so. तो कैमरा में आपको इतना पता नहीं चल रहा, बट आपने एक विंग अप्लाई करा है। आप चाहे तो आप गोल्डन या कोई भी सिल्वर लाइनर भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। So I'm gonna keep it like this and I'm gonna do this eye and be back. So it's not looking the way I wanted it to look. My some liners and some things are not working. मेरा काजल work नहीं कर रहा. So now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a liner like this. So I did my brows. मैंने कैमरा में रिकॉर्ड करा, बट मुझे पता नहीं चला कि मेरा फ़ोन का कैमरा ऑन नहीं था. So this is what I did with my brows. Nothing fancy. जैसे मैं हमेशा करती हूँ, मैंने बस वैसे ही किया है. So now I'm gonna start with my base. So for my base, I'm gonna first apply some more moisturizer because I wiped my face. If you remember the TikTok trend technique for base makeup, I'm gonna do the same for today. So I'm gonna just take my powder very lightly. I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Now to set it, I'm using my setting spray. So now for primer, I'm using this Color Bar primer. जितने भी pores है उसमें अच्छे से apply हो जाए. So now for my foundation, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Paris Infallible foundation. I love it. It's my go-to foundation. I love using it and I'm obsessed with it, you can say. And now to blend it, I'm gonna use my Pro Art brush. So आप देख सकते हैं मैंने बहुत थोड़ी सी ली थी अभी फाउंडेशन. And see the coverage. So make sure to blend it nicely. So now that my foundation is nicely blended, you can see I've applied. I haven't applied much foundation. मैंने बहुत थोड़ी सी अप्लाई की है, मैंने उसी को blend किया है. So for concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, shade medium. And so all the areas where I need. So I'm just gonna blend it. And it's nicely blended. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I'm gonna make sure everything is nicely blended. So next I'm gonna take my LA Pro Conceal and Toast and I'm gonna lightly contour my face using this, very lightly. See? So I'm gonna apply some on here, here, here. Like so. So now to blend it, I'm using the same beauty blender and I'm just gonna dab it. जो जॉ लाइन में होगा उसे नीचे ड्रैग करें एंड जो चीक बोन में होगा उसे ऊपर. So now I'm gonna take my Fit Me powder and I'm gonna set my face with it. I'm gonna apply some on my under eyes and also nose के sides पे, this area. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a powder contour. Now I'm gonna take my NYX contour palette and taking that contour shade, I'm gonna intensify my contour. So अगर आप अपने फेस को शेव करेंगे, आपके लिए क्रीमी प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करना बहुत ईजी होगा. से वैक्स से शेव कर रहे होंगे, और अगर आपके फेस पे हेयर होंगे जैसे अभी मेरे फेस पे है तो ये बहुत पैची हो जाएगा, जो कि हो रहा है थोड़ा बहुत. Now to set everything on place, I'm gonna use my Blue Heaven makeup fixer. So for blush, I'm gonna take my DIY white tint. So आपने इसकी वीडियो देख ली होगी. So I'm gonna use it. So now I'm gonna do it on this side. Now I'm gonna take my this palette and this blush on to set it and also to give a shimmery effect. अगर आप चाहे आप टिंट ही सिर्फ अप्लाई करें, टिंट भी अकेले बहुत प्रिटी लगता है. Now we're gonna finish our under eyes and also gonna wear lashes. So first for my waterline, I'm gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna take the darker green color again. This onto my waterline, just like this. Like so. So now I'm gonna take my white kajal to open up my eyes. So for lashes, I'm gonna wear these Nykaa lashes. मेरे पास lashes almost सारी खत्म हो चुकी है. I need to order it, but अभी के लिए we're gonna use this only. I just wore my outfit. This is my mom's suit. मेरे पास कुछ भी ऐसा green and goldenish में नहीं था, so that's why I wore this. So now I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate to highlight my face. Also gonna use the same to highlight my inner corners and brow one. I'm gonna spray some more setting spray. For lips, I've applied first this Kiss Beauty lip shade. Now I'm gonna apply this SFR matte lipstick. And this finishes this makeup look. So if you're wondering why I'm not playing with anything with my hair, because my hair is really very damaged now, so I'm trying not to apply any heat. So I'm just letting it open. आप चाहे तो आप straight कर सकते हैं, आप चाहे तो आप curl कर सकते हैं. So अगर आप चाहे तो आप मेकअप में इतना ड्रामेटिक नहीं चाहते तो आप जनरली फ्लावर्स वगैरह से लगाकर आप भी कर सकते हैं मेरे लुक को कंप्लीट. बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, मैंने ऐसा लाइक हेयर पे फ्लावर लगाने वाला ट्यूटोरियल संगीत मेकअप में शेयर कर दिया है. सो हल्दी में आई वांटेड अ लुक जो आप एज अ ब्राइड भी पहन सको और एज अ गेस्ट भी पहन सको. सो दिस लुक इज़ रियली fab for it. So pretty much that's the finished look and I really loved it. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below, and for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.